Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so you have been warned. We're going to open our next item from the Notions box. And so the clue on this one reads, "You had me at aloe." And so strange clue. You don't often think of quilting and sewing with aloe. In the Kid Open test, it has some flexibility to it, but still doesn't quite feel like paper. So let's go ahead and open it and see what that clue could possibly mean. All right, so as we open this, we have what are called embroidery stickers. So these are super popular and on trend these days. And so the concept is you have this flexible piece of, it's kind of an adhesive stabilizer, and you put this onto the fabric that you wish to stitch and embroider onto. You stitch through it and it's water soluble. So after you get all of your stitching done, you wash it and it washes away. It's not tear away, so you don't have to worry about tearing and pulling any of your stitches. It's wash away and it's water soluble. This came to us from a cute little shop in Canada. She has all of these all over her websites. And I actually liked the idea of succulents because I feel like it's pretty soothing. I think everyone likes succulents. Either they have them indoor, if they live in a warmer climate, that they can keep them outside. But these felt very fun, very approachable for beginners, but also very easy to do if you're an advanced embroiderer. So for this, as you're sewing them, you definitely have me at aloe as we complete these projects together. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.